Welcome. We invite you to work with the experts. At Teleflex Medical OEM, our team has vertically integrated capabilities, deep expertise, and decades of experience to be your single source resource for product development and production. Partner with us to work with a multifunctional team with expert knowledge that extends from compounding all the way through to finished devices, packaging and labeling. We truly can take your project from resin pellets to product. Need proof? Watch this presentation that illustrates the manufacturing of a device, in this case a sheath, dilator, and set. Material compounding. Our process knowledge starts with the materials. Teleflex Medical OEM has in-house compounding capability for both standard polymers and fluoropolymers. We use a state-of-the-art, twin-screw, co-rotating compounding equipment that allows us to add colorants, radiopacifiers, and various stabilizers to a wide range of materials. This internal capability helps control one of the most critical inputs into subsequent manufacturing processes and reduce development lead times. Dilator extrusion process. The first step is to extrude tubing used to manufacture a dilator. Teleflex Medical OEM's extrusion capability includes all the conventional materials such as polyurethanes, polyamides, and PBA. Plus we extrude all fluoropolymers and advanced engineering polymers such as PEEK. We offer co-extrusion, both stripe and multi-layer, multi-lumen tubing, and micro-extrusions as small as 0.2 millimeters. One of our specialties is the continuous extrusion of reinforced catheter components, including both FEP and HDPE line braided and coiled catheters. Our extrusion competencies complement our hand-assembled, PTFE, lined catheter capabilities. Dilator tipping. Teleflex Medical OEM has over 30 years of experience making dilators, giving us a particular competence in thermal profile tipping. We can adjust material stiffness, wall thickness, and tip geometry to optimize the dilator's performance characteristics. On larger sizes of dilators, we can use plunge grinding techniques, in tandem with thermal tip forming, to create extremely long taper lengths. These long taper lengths minimize insertion forces. Dilator overmolding. Here we witness dilator molding. A wide range of fluoropolymers, polyolefins, and thermoplastic elastomers can be used for the base dilator. Standard hubs are available to accommodate sizes 3 to 30 French. The Teleflex Medical OEM molding design team has deep expertise in tool design and in collaborative designs. We use this expertise to ensure molding concepts are designed to allow repeatable high-volume manufacturing. This is part of our design for manufacturing approach that can help minimize project risk and reduce development timelines. PTFE, sheath extrusion process. We are now going to manufacture the next component for our device, the sheath made of PTFE. The first step is a paste extrusion process that differs significantly from conventional extrusion, and requires dedicated, custom extruders. PTFE has multiple applications as liners for catheters, guide wire coatings, production aids, and for a range of devices which require lubricity. Our ability to meet high tolerances and produce ultra-thin walls makes us a global leader in PTFE extrusion. Sheath flaring and punching. We are now preparing PTFE sheath tubes for overmolding with our custom-designed flaring and punching process. Teleflex Medical OEM can tailor platform capabilities to meet your unique device requirements. We also have the capability of punching holes in reinforced catheter shafts as an alternative to laser processing. Flaring of both reinforced and unreinforced shafts are routine operations to aid finished device assembly. Sheath tipping. Sheaths are thermally tipped to achieve two performance characteristics: low insertion force and trackability. Low insertion forces are achieved by optimum tip profile geometry. This is a combination between appropriate taper length to minimize insertion force and adding a radius finish to avoid tip rollback during insertion. The Teleflex Medical OEM team can suggest the most appropriate tip profile for your device. With catheters, a tip section of a lowered urometer material can be thermally bonded to improve trackability. In this case, the lowered urometer tip section can be engineered to meet the requirements of the catheter tip, while the shaft can be optimized to meet your specified performance characteristics. Sheath injection molding. Here's the overmolding process for a sheath hub. We are looking at a cross-section of the injection molding process throughout a single cycle. The overmolding approach for device hubs allows the complexity to be put into the mold, rather than the assembly process. Teleflex Medical OEM sees the overmolding approach as a technology that can be fully validated to minimize the device assembly risk. We have experience incorporating hot runners, rotating cores, side action cores, and other features into molds to allow the overmolding of complex hub designs. These tooling designs can incorporate pneumatics, hydraulic, and electromechanical subsystems to meet challenging design requirements. During this presentation, we followed a vertically integrated process for turning compound pellets into a finished device. We can do the same for your project. Teleflex Medical OEM offers everything you need for success, from concept development to design, from manufacturability to regulatory support to production and comprehensive finishing operations. Work with the experts. Work with Teleflex Medical OEM. For more information, visit teleflexmedicaloem.com.